Sneezing is just your brain rebooting? That's a fun thought. But let's dive into what really happens. When something irritating, like dust or pollen, invades your nose, it triggers nerve endings that send a signal straight to your brain. In response, your brain orchestrates a symphony of muscle contractions. And then boom, you unleash a powerful burst of air, clearing out those pesky irritants. It's like your body's own air filter, working hard to keep your respiratory system safe and sound. So, while it might feel like a mini reset, it's really just your body's way of protecting itself. Who knew sneezing could be so fascinating?